Teslacam. I hope you're satisfied.
Taylor was driving his 4-week-old Model Y on I-35 in Hickory Creek, Texas, when he passed this black Nissan Frontier pickup truck. Taylor changed lanes to allow lead-footed drivers to pass him in the fast lane. That was when the Nissan swerved into him. Until he reviewed the video, Taylor says he couldn't even explain how the crash happened. Autopilot's traffic-aware cruise control was engaged, but it had no time to evade or alert Taylor to the Nissan in his blind spot. He says he's still in shock. He didn't see it coming. The Nissan driver lied to everyone and said he was just driving along when Taylor spun him out and put him into the wall. Taylor didn't talk to the Nissan driver personally. He was too upset and sat. After the police arrived, he gave them the Teslacam footage. The officer showed the Nissan driver and he instantly knew he was busted. The other driver was found 100% at fault for his aggressive lane changes and unsafe speed. Taylor's Model Y is being fixed now, and the repair estimate is about $4,000 US. T-Jane was driving home in his Model X northbound on I-5 in Los Angeles, California, when traffic suddenly slowed from 60 to 15 miles per hour. As T-Jane merged to the fast lane, he saw 2 California Highway Patrol cars chasing a vehicle which was missing the rear left tire and driving on the rim. Sparks were flying everywhere, and there was a gas tanker just 2 lanes to the left. T-Jane drove past as the driver being chased took the Los Feliz Boulevard exit. This video's submitter was out driving his Model Y in Colorado Springs on his way to pick up some dinner. All of a sudden, he saw a truck blast through a red light in front of him. He says it was a good thing the car in front of him also slowed down, or else it would have been T-boned. As he passed the traffic light, he saw a police car in pursuit of the truck. Peter captured this incident in South London, UK. He's still unsure who was at fault. Leave a comment telling us what you think. Alright, let's have a look. The road here merges to a single lane with a bus lane on the left where motorcycles are also allowed to drive. As Peter approached this intersection, a pizza guy came speeding down the bus lane at the same time that this car turned without checking their mirrors. The delivery man crashed into the side of the car but was alright. Peter stopped and gave the Teslacam footage to both drivers. He guesses the insurance people will have to sort it out. This next clip is from Derek, who was driving his Model S in Shenzhen, China when he noticed this truck passing him. This was on a car-only highway, meaning that trucks aren't even allowed to drive on it, so it stood out to Derek right away. However, it would have been impossible not to notice it when this happened. This is a whole new level of rolling coal. Trucks aren't allowed on this highway partly due to pollution concerns, but also because of safety and traffic jams. We can definitely see why pollution helped get this ban passed. Do you guys remember the video from Daniel Barker we showed in episode 22? He spotted a DMC DeLorean in Lake Tahoe and told his family it had the same stainless steel body as the Cybertruck. Well, Bison contacted us the same night that episode was released, telling us he and his wife were on a road trip and had just arrived in Lake Tahoe for the evening. They stopped at a red light, and once it turned green, the sound of an engine revving caught their attention. It's not the same DeLorean though, so that must mean there are several time travelers visiting Lake Tahoe. This was a replica of the DeLorean from the Back to the Future movie trilogy by Robert Zemeckis. Being huge fans of the movies, Bison told us it made their day. He adds that someone should have warned Marty to stay away from 2020. Blake was driving his Model 3 to the airport early one morning in Tampa, Florida, when he saw something in the sky that caught his eye. It was a meteor, also known as a shooting star. He told us it was really bright in person, but he wasn't sure if the Teslacam would capture it. Once he arrived at his destination, he reviewed the footage and, sure enough, he got it on video. By now, we know what Tesla owners wish for when they wish upon a star. Sergio and his wife were traveling home east on the 91 expressway in Anaheim Hills, California. A truck traveling westbound had enough of the traffic and decided to drive through the divider and enter the express lanes. Thankfully, nothing bad happened this time from what we can see, but this is a really dangerous move. The same day this happened, we got an email from Simon who crashed his BMW 530e after a Toyota RAV4 did the exact same thing. It was a long shot, but Simon reached out to see if any Teslas had recorded the accident when his car was totaled. Unfortunately, he lacked proof of his innocence, showing that the other driver had made an illegal lane change. This happened on the 28th of October on I-5 in Los Angeles near exit 159. Please let us know if you have any information regarding this accident. Parveen had parked in Anaheim, California when his Model 3 got some sweet looks from this guy. This video is from Soren in Norway, who captured this guy whose batteries must be low since he almost didn't make the green light. Luckily, the car spotted him and stopped in time. This next video was sent in by Arthur, whose wife was driving their Tesla at the time. She met this driver on the wrong side of the road while exiting a shopping center. Autopilot wasn't engaged, but it didn't even give her any warnings. She moved over to the far right and the vehicle passed safely on the left. This video is from Sean in Kansas City, Missouri. We can see he tried to gradually merge when a Prius aggressively sped up to block him from merging. He backed off and assumed that was the end of it. The Prius driver then quickly pulled out from behind and sped up, trying to cut in front of Sean. He says it happened so quickly that he just ended up hitting him. There were $3,000 in damages, including replacing the paint protection film he had applied. The Prius driver's insurance paid for 100% of the repairs, as well as compensating $2,500 for the diminished value of the Tesla. James had his brand new Model 3 parked when Sentry Mode spotted this Nissan Leaf owner approaching the Tesla. Maybe we're watching a future Tesla owner? James says it's fun to have a car that turns heads. He also adds he loves the Teslacam Stories. Thanks, James. Brennan was driving his Model 3 in Yellowstone National Park when he witnessed this. Three bison were next to his car as they crossed a pullout on the side of the road. Brennan admired them, but he had to continue on to avoid blocking other traffic. Are you a Tesla owner with a Teslacam or Sentry Mode video you want to share with us? Please send the video together with a description of what happened via the link in the description below.
Oh Lord, won't you buy me a cyber truck? My friends all drive diesel, I must make amends.